Over half of Americans over 50 are taking at least one medication. It's predicted that by the year 2017, 1 out of every 3 people will be diabetic. America ranks 37th out of 39 countries in health. Americans are getting sicker every year, and many people don't even know or care. But I found that more people are getting fed up with the merry-go-round, the treatment of symptoms protocols that are being followed in our current healthcare system. If this is you, then please keep listening. Most people, when they get sick or have aches or pains, will do one of two things. They go from doctor to doctor, getting treated for the symptoms that they're having, or they ignore it and hope it will go away until the symptoms get so bad that they then have to go from doctor to doctor and get treated for the symptoms that they're having. I heard somebody say once, ignore your health and it will go away. In over 14 years of practice, I have seen thousands of people that ignored the early warning signs because they didn't know where to get the right kind of help. My name is Dr. Brad Fackrell. I am a chiropractor with a great practice in the state of New Mexico. I have a mission of changing the way people view their health, from the treatment of symptoms to the creation of health and healing. Let me give you an example. I grew up with a fairly common inflammatory condition called asthma. I also suffered with eczema so bad that I had scabs on my legs and allergies severe enough that I could never go anywhere without a hanky in my back pocket. I was constantly blowing my nose. I had daily medications that I had to take in order to just stay alive. I also used topical creams for the eczema and was always going in to see the doctor for allergy shots. I was in the hospital way too many times. I was unable to participate in sports to the degree that I wanted because I couldn't breathe. I was a sick kid. I had very knowledgeable doctors and specialists. I saw them regularly to treat my symptoms. And as I grew, things didn't change as I became an adult either. Fortunately, everything changed for me, and now I live a drug-free life. But my life is not just free of medications. I have quality of life. I am very active, and my goal is to help you and as many other people as possible get off the merry-go-round of drugs. I want to give you a free report called The 7 Secrets of Going Straight to Health. You'll find out how I and many others overcame my chronic illness and left prescription drugs behind. Oh yeah, you're going to get quite a bit of free stuff. I really want to help you have the information that you need to create health for yourself and your family. In addition to all this, I regularly do interviews with people that are experts in certain areas of health. Here are just a few. Robb Wolf, he was the author of the Paleo solution. Dr. Robert Young, author of the pH Miracle. Dr. Katie Shanahan, author of Deep Nutrition. Dr. Tom O'Brien, perhaps one of the most knowledgeable people alive regarding gluten sensitivity and celiac disease. There are several more, and we're adding to this list regularly. You are going to have access to these interviews on the next page. By the way, I take your privacy very seriously. I will never share or sell your email address to anyone. And if you don't like the emails that I send you, it is very easy to unsubscribe. I just want to help you get healthy. So just put your email address in the box on the right so I can help you go straight to health.